Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make this crispy French fries made in the air fryer. I love cooking in the air fryer because you can make easy fried foods but without all the extra oils and calories. I always share the best air fryers on my channel, so today I'm partnering with Tatronics to bring you this video. They sent me their 6-quart large air fryer to use. This air fryer works amazing. It uses powerful hot air circulation to cook food really fast. It fries food with little to no oil but still keeps the deep fried texture. I made both fried chicken and French fries today with my Tatronics air fryer. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and peeled 2 large russet potatoes. I'm going to cut the potatoes into long strips to look like French fries. It's very easy to do. You just slice each potato lengthwise into 4 equal slices. And then you're going to cut each slice into long sticks, just like I'm doing. Once you cut up your potatoes into long sticks, you're going to transfer them into a large bowl of water. Then we're going to wash the potatoes very well. This will remove any excess starch from the potatoes, that way they can crisp up very well in the air fryer. Once we're done washing, we're going to transfer the strips onto some paper towels. Then we're going to completely dry the potatoes. Make sure you remove any trace of water from the potatoes because the drier they are, the crispier they will get in the air fryer. Once the potatoes are dried, transfer them into a large bowl. Then drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil all over them. Next, we're going to add some spices. I have half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to use my hands to mix everything together very well. I'm going to pull the basket out of my Tatronics air fryer. The basket is large enough to fit a good amount of food. It can even fit a whole chicken. I'm going to transfer the potatoes into the basket. You can fry all the potatoes at once, but if you want them to be extra crispy, you're going to have to fry them in 2 batches. Go ahead and space them out, that way they can have even circulation of heat. Place the basket back into the air fryer. This air fryer has 11 preset functions with precise time and temperature settings for various foods. So I can either press the French fries function and the air fryer will automatically fry the potatoes, or you can just manually set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and air fry the potatoes for 20 minutes. Halfway through the frying time, make sure you move the potatoes around, that way they can fry evenly. And this is what they look like when they're done. They're sizzling and they're so crispy. So guys, I also made some chicken to pair with the fries. I just seasoned my chicken with the same seasonings as I used on the potato fries. I'm going to place the basket into the air fryer and air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And this is how the chicken came out, so crispy on the outside. It pairs so well with the French fries. The air fryer makes the chicken taste very much like deep fried chicken, but without all the extra oil. I'm cracking a little bit of pink salt all over the French fries, and it's ready to be enjoyed. The fries came out really good, very well seasoned. It's very crispy and healthier than your typical deep fried French fries. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements there. I'll also leave all details and purchasing link for the Tatronic air fryer in the description box for those of you who are interested. The air fryer is built very well and cleanup is very easy because the basket has a non-stick coating. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a big thank you to Tatronics for partnering with me. I'll see you soon. Bye!